Hello, this is Bino. Welcome back to my channel. Today what I wanted to say is thank you. We made it to our 3,000 subscribers point. I'm super excited about that. Never thought that would happen. I also wanted to thank all the viewers who watch our videos and also everybody who's sharing our videos. It's been a pretty cool ride. I'm enjoying this. I originally started doing this as a click and go, and mostly just to show my family and friends. I didn't realize how big YouTube really is till my son Noah was explaining it to me. And I'd say a little more than a year ago. He was saying how big it is, and your videos could get better. And I'm like, well, I don't know, because what I'm doing is great. And then we talked about it, and he volunteered to help me out with the videos, and including being in the videos where we're working on how-tos, and since then Noah's editing skills has changed. It made it a higher level of a video, and I'm really appreciating it. And it's by all the views and subscribers that we're getting, it really did a huge thing to this channel. I really like it because I can talk about tree stuff, and I grew up working in trees, and I'm loving it, and I like to spread tree information. It's just a passion of mine, and I enjoy it. It's really cool, not kind of cool, it's really cool that Noah's joined me, and we've been doing it together. Man, it's awesome. I'm really enjoying it, and I'm really thankful for everybody who's checking us out. Anyhow, I don't want to go any further than that. I just want to say great, huge, big thank you. Comment, like, and subscribe. Share our videos, and we'll do our best to keep on making some cool content. All right, take care.